So today I'm going to be making a beat from scratch, and let's see what we come up with. Today I'm using Ableton Live 11.0 because if I update, some of my plugins aren't working, so I'm just going to go with 11.0. Alright, first off, I think I want to go into some Cymatics samples. Melody loops. Alright, I think I like this sample. It kind of reminds me of Nav a little bit. Some people hate Nav, some people love Nav. Sounds a little too high for me, so I'm going to pitch it down to. Alright, I like how that sounds. Next thing I usually do is go to my auto key so we can find the key. Okay, auto key determined that it's F sharp minor. So next thing I'm gonna do is open up a MIDI. I'm gonna go to some 808s. I'll probably stay in the Viper folder. Got a lot of delays. Alright, I'm just gonna use this one. It's in C. So I don't even need to tune it because I already know exactly where it's at. Probably gonna do one shots. Let's just double check it. So I'm gonna go to my tuner, hit C, and it looks like it's a little too high. So let me go to my detune, and it looked like it was about plus 13. Let's try minus 13. Maybe even minus 12. Alright, yeah, minus 12 is cool. Next thing I'm gonna do is Command Shift M. That brings up the MIDI folder. And since I already know that it's a F sharp minor, I'll just start with F sharp. I'm just do something basic for now. Alright, that's cool for me for right now. Alright, next thing I'm gonna do is rename this to 808 just so I don't get lost. I'm gonna add a new audio clip and I'm gonna go to a kick. Just stay in the Viper folder and go to my drums. I want something without a lot of tail, so like something very basic, just so it doesn't clash. Gonna turn this down, maybe like 5 or 6, and all I'm gonna do is copy and paste to wherever my 808 hits. Boom, boom, boom. Duplicate. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is take off the tuner and add add a glue compressor, and for my kick, rename it kick, put a regular compressor. I usually like to start around 3 to 1 ratio. Bring down the threshold, maybe -2 something. Click this little down arrow and it brings up sidechain. You highlight sidechain, and I'm gonna sidechain the kick. So whenever the kick hits and the 808 at the same time, it's gonna dip it, just so the kick will shine through a little more. Alright, next thing I'm gonna do is add a new audio track, rename it clap, either clap or a snare. Maybe I'll use this one. Turn it down, maybe around -6, -7. Duplicate. And then also what I like to do is go into my automation just to give it a little more flavor, I guess. Automation, highlight track, instead of track volume, highlight reverb, and I hit B, and that brings up the little pencil, and then I can draw an automation. That might be a bit too much. I'll just use that much. Then I'll just Command D, duplicate it all the way through. I don't know if I like the clap, to be honest, but let's try to layer it. I'm gonna add maybe another snare. Turn this one down as well. Let's see. Duplicate it all the way through. Copy, paste, highlight, Command D, and let's see what it sounds like. Alright, that sounds okay to me. Snare 2. Rename this snare 1. And next thing I'm going to do is create a new MIDI track for my hi-hats. Hat. And stay in the Wonder Girl kit because she always has fire, everything. Actually, for my hats, I think I'm going to go in my big head pack. Gucci Gang hi-hat, why not? Just highlight this first couple bars. Let's go F sharp. Drag this out, or actually highlight all this, Command Shift M, or Command J, yeah, Command J just to make it bigger, or a longer clip. Just add one more here. maybe like a roll. And then I'll just drag these down a little bit just so it makes it a little interesting. And this, change this. Drop these down a bit. Might have to bring down the volume a bit. Alright, that sounds cool for now. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is duplicate. Then this is what we got so far. On the second part, I actually want to change this, and I think I want to make it a triplet. Also bring this down to E maybe. What I also want to do next, add an open hi-hat. Kind of like that one. Drop this down minus like 12. Bring this down minus 6 or 5. Yeah, I'll just duplicate that for now. One thing I'm going to add to this is an EQ, Fab Filter Pro Q3, my favorite one, although it really doesn't matter. I'll just low cut it. I'm going to add a snap. Anybody who's familiar with Jersey Club, shout out to you. Alright, so he has this clean snap that I will also automate. Also, like I said before, just hit this arrow thing. Go to mixer, go to reverb, hit B, boom. That might be too much. Ooh, that's a lot, but it might work. Yeah, I'll bring it down. Next thing I want to do, turn this off, Command, duplicate, 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 duplicate. All right. I might just speed this up to like 160. 160 exactly. switch up the hi-hat pattern here. Alright, then I'll just duplicate what I just did right here. Alright, adding a new audio clip, shaker time. So I'm just gonna type in shaker, see what happens. Andrew Wong, shout out to Andrew Wong. Oh, not today though. Andy, Ninth Wonder. This could be cool. Drop the volume on this. Alright, that sounds pretty good so far. Let's run it back one more time.